freestyle rails champion, Wendy.
So cool.
You know that you can take run easily, but I wonder how you can stop on time.
Wow, that was awesome.
Amazing.
Wow, what a stop, huh?
Contact shoes. They're special stop blocks for train braking.
Anthony, how do you know everything about Wendy? Huh?
Oh, well, actually, she's my cousin.
Oh.
Besides, Wendy is moving to Train City to live right here with us.
Yeah!
The flowers are from Grandpa Billy's garden? He'll be really mad at you.
They're coming!
Hey, guys, I would like to introduce you to Wendy.
Hi, wanna be friends?
It's great that you came here.
Guys, you're so cool. Is there a place for me to train?
Everywhere.
What the? What are they doing, these kids? The railroad's not a place for games, eh? Oh. Tell me, who told you could hold a race here?
It's nothing, really. We're just playing.
Well, then go and play on a playground, huh? Here you can cause a crash, you know.
Whoa, that was awesome.
Now go back, but in reverse.
These contact shoes are really working.
The shoes are for champions.
We're sorry about the flowers, Grandpa.
Oh, I'm not mad at you about flowers. They are to be bestowed and, well, bestowed and they're to be watered, too.
What are you doing? Please don't. Chewing.
Well, we got this right. For the railroad is not a place for games.
Hey, George, what are you doing?
I'm thinking about my plans for the weekend. To search for treasure or to catch the wind.
Forget about your plans. We are going to go fishing.
Did you say fishing?
Yeah, my dad is going to take us with him to go fishing.
Really?
Let's go. We need to prepare the fishing rods.
Ethan, have you ever gone fishing
Nuh-uh.
before?
This is my first time.
So tell me, do you know what bait we should use?
Hey there, guys.
Vera, hi there.
Hello there, Vera.
Hey, guys, where are you going?
Well, we are going to go fishing.
What do you say? Are you really going to go fishing together?
Yes, with real fishing rods and everything.
Uh-huh.
Will you, take me with you?
Well, we'll need to think about it.
No need to think at all. Fishing is not for girls, so that's that then.
But why? But why is that?
Because only real trains go fishing, Vera. That's the way it is. Sorry about that. Come on, George, let's go. We have a very important day tomorrow.
So only real trains go fishing? We'll see about that.
We've been here for an hour at least. And we haven't caught a single fish, Dad.
We just need to have some patience, Ethan.
Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-da.
Quiet. You'll scare the fish away, boys.
So fishing is when you sit down and don't even talk to anybody?
Yes. You have to sit, my boy, patiently. Just wait and think. Look, just like George.
Well, fishing is so boring. No singing and no talking. No fish at all. Fishing without fish. What a bore. I'm gonna go look for something to do. Hooray! Ha-ha-ha! Now I know where big fish are to be found. This is so great. You can even catch it without using a rod. Well, we have to do something creative. Wow-wee! Yeah! Turn on the engines. I'm gonna catch the biggest fish ever. My father and George will be so surprised. There are so many fish here. It's really great. Wow, this is what I call real fishing. I'll stay right where I am. There are so many fish over here. And they can jump right into my boat. This is so much fun. What is that noise? Where is it coming from? Oh, it's a dam.
Ethan and George will be very surprised when I catch some fish all by myself. He won't say silly things anymore, like only real trains can catch fish.
Help me, please.
Ethan, where are you going?
I'm not the one. It's the stream that's pulling me, Vera.
Oh, there must be a dam ahead. Ethan, you have to turn on your engines upstream.
That's right. Oh boy, I should have guessed that for myself. Oh, 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 oh. Oh boy, oh boy. Vera, please help me.
I'm coming, hold on. What can I do? Think, Vera, just think.
Vera!
Ethan, open the sail now. The sail. Hooray, you're okay, Ethan, hooray.
Thank you so much, Vera. If it wasn't for you...
Yeah, but Ethan, anyone would do the same thing that I did.
Listen, when you're fishing, the most important thing is just to sit. Sit patiently. Just wait and think.
You mean like they are?
I can't take it anymore. Just leave me here, guys. Why is it always my turn to drag this huge wagon when we're climbing up? It's so unfair. I'm exhausted.
George, don't droop. Cheer up, we almost made it. Look at Vera, she's in good spirits.
I can't see anything. My glasses are all foggy now.
Look, we're almost there. Now get down there and take a turn, and then we'll be done.
Push me down, please. Please, somebody. I'm so stuck.
It's my turn now.
Oh? Interesting. Where could this trailer have gone to?
Oh dear, how can we go to the shore without sunshades and inflatables?
Well, the trailer could not run away alone. It was stolen. We must find it.
Oh, goodness. Do we really have to?
Hey there. Did you see our trailer come by this way by any chance?
It's so lovely and green.
What, your trailer ran away?
Lovely and green. Guys, you're so funny.
Did you see that?
See what?
A red elephant with a blue trunk. Uh-oh, it lives there in the bushes, I think. Huh?
A red elephant with a blue trunk.
Oh me, oh my. I must be seeing things again. It's the heat, I know it. I must be hallucinating.
No, Ethan, I haven't seen the trailer.
I think that it's far more comfortable to sunbathe in the nice cool shade, guys, than in the sun for sure. Huh? What was that? Did you see that now?
What? A red elephant?
No, something else. I saw a blue camel with stripes. It went in the bushes together with the red elephant. I'm pretty sure I've got sunstroke. I think you should take me to the shade now, please. I need to lay down for a while. I'm having heavy visual hallucinations.
Oh dear, he's got sunstroke.
I'm stricken, guys. Oh, guys, it's too bad you don't see my hallucinations. They're so very beautiful, guys.
Now it's clear. I can see what kind of hallucination you've got. Let's go fast before it disappears.
My red elephant is so lovely and soft.
Yeah, and my blue camel is ever so comfortable.
Go on, lay out in the sun. Burn yourself and wait for your own hallucinations as well.
Hey, Captain. Are you going to come off of watch now? It's time to sleep now.
In this severe storm, I cannot bring myself to leave the command bridge. What if anybody is in distress, Mom?
But you're so sleepy, dear. Your cruiser might hit a sea cliff. So now it's time for you to go to bed.
Mom, it's not a cruiser, it's a frigate.
Help! SOS! We're attacked by pirates!
Mommy! They've been attacked by pirates! Boatsman!
Boatsman, reporting as ordered.
Why are you hiccuping?
Well, I've got seasickness.
Seasickness? How could you? You're the chief boatsman. You know you should really look after your captain. Interesting. Where are all the sails?
You ordered to wash them, Captain, remember? They haven't dried since yesterday.
A ship! Ahoy! All hands on deck! Let's get ready to attack, everybody! Board them!
Hey, look! Pirates! Whoa! I think they've spotted us.
So what are we doing now?
If we don't look at them and ignore them, they'll simply pass by us.
The frigate disappeared! It was a ghost ship.
Okay, listen up. We'll sneak to the pirate ship and save all the hostages.
What if they see us?
Pirates sleep just like babies. Just don't make any noise.
Who's there?
We are the Little Mermaids.
Take them!
And this is to stop the pirates from kidnapping people.
Never mind. Outrageous! You will pay me for everything, and I will report you, you hear me?
Oh, Captain, you have saved me. You are so amazingly brave.
George, have you been sleeping by the table all night long?
You woke me up. All my dreams seem to end with a cliffhanger, yet a tiny piece of the story is still on.
Good afternoon, Mr. Clockface. Do you know what time it is now?
Of course I know the time, because my clock is very old and accurate as well. And now it's exactly midday.
Oh, thank you.
Mr. Clockface is a very old clock. I guess it's very rare.
Where's Mr. Clockface?
It must be an abduction.
An abduction?
You remember what Mr. Clockface told us about the old clock? So it was abducted with Mr. Clockface.
We must find him. Let's start the investigation.
Okay, let's conduct an interrogation. We need to know who was where last night.
Well, I don't know anything, and I didn't see anybody.
What do you have in the garage?
The garage? There is nothing in there. I've always dreamed about having my own trolley, but my parents didn't let me. So I thought if I just show them to my parents, they will let me keep at least one of them.
Well, guys, I don't think that it's him.
Wait a minute. I remember that yesterday night, musician was laughing wickedly.
Hey there. It wasn't me. I gave everything back.
Why did you do it in the first place?
Well, all I wanted to do was to learn the melody, but they simply wouldn't give it to me.
What didn't they give you?
The music book, obviously. I mean, you are asking about the music book, aren't you?
I mean, the one with the melody in it that I wanted to learn, but they wouldn't let me take it home, but I took it home anyway.
Someone kidnapped Mr. Clockface.
So now I know why Mrs. Dove was carrying that large sack the other night.
How could you think that about me, guys?
Well, you did have something in the sack.
Ah, there are a lot of balloons. A lot of them, you see. So I had to put them in the sack so they wouldn't fly away. There's nothing harder in the world than unloading loads of balloons, seriously. I'm telling you guys, ask the policeman for yourself.
The main rule of an investigation is to suspect someone who is not under suspicion.
Tell us now. Did you take Mr. Clockface?
Tell us, why did you do that?
Why, to restore the old clock to work better. Mr. Clockface was being restored.
He was?
Can you imagine that, kids? The clock was running 1 second behind, so I had to recalibrate it.
The abduction may be considered as being solved.
And restored as well.
No free places. Let's go to a shooting gallery.
We can put a pillow under the wheel. That way, it will be easier to aim.
What's that? I'm going to sleep here? Well, I'll give it a try. What a surprise! Did you put that hypnotic pillow under my wheel on purpose? General, you... the surprises go on. Where is General?
This is outrageous. This is hooliganism, not a carousel.
How plush and beautiful. Don't look at it. The prize is mine. We'll see whose prize it is.
I can't handle this. I'm getting nervous. What's happening? Did we win?
I won this for you, girls.
What a surprise! Thank you.
It's okay. I'll find another way to surprise you. Let's go.
There is something I don't like about Sam Sparky's surprise.
But I like surprises a lot. They're always so... Oh, I've forgotten the word. There's a letter S in it.
With the letter S? Of course. Sandy? Scary? Slippery? Or maybe smelly? No? Stinky?
Maybe she wanted to say squishy.
I got it! Unexpected! I wanted to say unexpected surprise.
And where's the letter S in it?
Are you kidding? Unexpected!
Achoo! Achoo!
Here, that's my prize. I've won it in bowling for you.
Awesome movie! With the sword cut in half, then he was alive again. I was on the edge of my seat. He sat through the whole movie with his eyes shut. He didn't see a thing, I swear.
No, I wasn't. I heard everything.
Oh, look, old Billy's house is like the Black Castle in the movie. can hear someone is snarling. And it's definitely not a steam engine. It's as if somebody is creeping up on a victim. Creeping up on a victim? So Grandpa Billy changes into a monster every moonlit night, just like this tale says right here. What kind of monster can you check up and learn about? It's important. Well, it doesn't actually say here, but it sounds horrible and dangerous. Very dangerous. Poor old Billy. It's because he's so lonely, I guess. But what if we're wrong about it? There's only one way to check up our theory, guys, and I think I got it. Guys, I say we wait until the full moon comes out. And then we'll just... What will happen then? Well, surely, then he'll come out and eat you up. That's what. Why me? It could be you. I helped Grandpa Billy water his flowers and you didn't, you know. George, why did you bring a bucket of water? I heard that, or rather I read in a book that if you water them, they become friendlier. That's it. Guys, the moon is out now. Soon Grandpa Billy will turn the lights off and then... Arnold, put the bucket down. I was only holding it, you know. What do you know? Everybody needs a bucket. Why did you run away? Why did you run away? That's it, everyone. Now we need to take action immediately, guys. Okay, bait is delicious food that a monster loves, but he doesn't have any for himself. I don't want to be bait. Besides, you know I'm not delicious at all. Oh, but you're just a fat guy. Huh. It makes you so yummy, so live with it. How's he gonna find out that I'm here? Well, first he'll smell you, and then he'll come out and eat you up. I mean, he'll try to, but we'll give him a treat from the bucket. George, I think I don't have any smell at all. Then how? Like this? Oh. No, not appetizing enough. Learn from me. Listen. Ooh!
Huh? That's outrageous! They won't let an old man sleep.
There he is. There. Spill water on him quickly now, quickly.
There you are, you naughty kids. Just you wait. Go away. Oh.
I wish I were you. Look at me, I'm all wet. You know what I think? Maybe Grandpa Billy made noises in his sleep like this. Was he just snoring?
Hi guys. Oh, I'm terribly late for my dance class. Don't disorient me. How are you doing?
Hello there, Vera. It really is bad to be late. Therefore, we won't hold you back any longer.
And we're doing fine. We bought a new game called The Adventures of the Traisformers.
Oh, it must be shooting and stuff. And I like the game, with enchanted castles, a prince and a princess, and their wedding in the end, and...
Vera, how late are you already?
When I met you, I was late for 2 minutes. Oh no, what have you done, you guys? Now I'm late for 5 whole minutes.
Oh dear, what have we done, Ethan? We must help her.
Yeah, but how?
I've got an idea.
So if I understand you correctly, you want to stop all the clocks in Train City for 5 minutes? Is that correct?
Yeah, Mr. Clockface, please. Please, it's only for 5 minutes. Vera won't be late that way.
The Train City is so big.
And 5 minutes aren't a very long time, you know. No one would ever notice. Oh, please, could you help us?
So what you're saying is that you think nobody would notice those 5 minutes, right? All right, then. Let's just picture this for a moment, shall we?
La la la, I have guests today. Oh, it's time to take the cake out. It's been 5 minutes sharp. Oh! I'm burning! I'm burning! Water! I need water!
Oh, let's hear the weather forecast for today, huh?
And windy. It has been our weather broadcast for tomorrow. You are listening to...
Darling, I'm going to take a quick shower before work.
Remember, in 5 minutes, they're closing the water to repair the pipes.
I've got plenty of time, a whole 5 minutes. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey, what's going on? Where's all the water at?
Yeah. Mr. Clockface was right. Poor Mrs. Dove with her cake. And my dad, he was late for work.
And poor Grandpa Billy with the weather broadcast.
But George, what about Vera? We didn't help her, did we?
Hi there, guys.
Vera? Were you very late?
I wasn't late at all. I got confused. Actually, my dancing class is tomorrow.
Tell me, Ethan, who would be the most disoriented person in the whole of Train City? Huh?
I think that would be Vera.
Of course it's Vera.